What is it? How you do the other batteries? Wait a minute. See the footage that's it.
All right, so we are here. We're here in Maryland. We're gonna fly some packs with a bunch of different people from Discord. We've got Turtle, we've got Frosty, we've got Bean Shane, we've got other kids like Scoooboots, and I'm forgetting everybody else's name, but I'll learn them at the end of the day because I'm great at this stuff. FPV is friendship, like Bot said. So. Anyway, we're trying to figure out channels, and then we'll get in the air, but that's where we're at. What's this one?
This is my little cancerous Win 5.
Oh, nice.
With garbage motors.
Hey, they look good though.
Here, I'm gonna go. Can I go behind or? Yeah, I'll just.
Okay, if you want to. I don't know where I'm gonna fly though, so.
Yeah, I'll just figure it out.
Can you go? Are you gonna go? I'm just gonna kill this battery. I'm at 14.
Like, how would you?
So I point,
That works
hold
too.
it like this, and my pinky.
All you do is steal thing.
My pinky is on the radio.
Yeah, he does this steal thing.
Oh yeah. Bean, what you doing, buddy? Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Hey, you broke something.
Check this out.
Hey, broke something.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to say hi.
What about you, Frosty?
Hey, we're watching Deerfoot and this crazy stuff.
Give me a transition, buddy.
Shake the world up, slam it to the flow bus. You heard the bus. We blow the world up, flip off the planet. Take it for granted when I manage with that home team advantage. Automatic, rhyme bandit, about to hand it. Cause you cram to understand it when I landed. Open-handed, I'm a transatlantic slave. With that old black magic. Got to happen from the demo to the master. Some brothers try to strike, but like the fire of disaster, I'm the chainsaw massacre. Rain, raw, acid dust. Downshift, pump your brakes, ease off the clutch. We fuck it up when we conduct. Load your pistol up with this verbal dick in your mouth until I bust a nut. And let this jam tell you who the fuck I am. Original black man from Nubalali, Sudan. It's like that, y'all. So go ahead and get up. This is the future sound. Without further ado, yeah, you don't see Don't walk South Central MC, what the fuck you thought? I set my first verse up, similar to a stakeout. The minute that they break out, they send Jake out. But I'm super laxative and I don't need no practice, kid. You probably wonder what track this is. So carry on with that twisted ass street rap. I rob for peace, but I will contradict that and bitch slap any rapper that act like you really wanted. I'ma hand him his hat.
What's going on, guys? So we're having a blast over here at the I don't even know what to call this. This is like a really impromptu meetup in Maryland. Yeah, this is just a lot of good fun, lots of community here, and we have a very big park to ourselves, so pretty cool spot to be at. So keep tuned, guys. We'll do a little bit more, show you some of what we can do in Maryland. So.
And make your sunroof straight to your cap. Now the original black. Now watch how the herds react. I play the block where I learn to rap. Ain't nothing to it. I keep the wordplay fluid and tone and run through it like the Emperor Jones. The inventor of poems and limericks, outstanding pitch. Regardless if you're feeling my shit, yo, I stay prime. And plus I'm never outdated in time. I break atoms from the way that I rhyme. Now I created the line with no miscues, fake no moves. So here's the rhyme I couldn't wait to use. I represent and put the
say something to the camera. Yeah, there you go. Vlog Inception, Quantum FPV.
It's like that. It's like a hybrid.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Without further ado, yes, y'all. Like test, y'all. Freestyle lyrics being thrown straight at y'all. And we hype so, and we might just flow.